Hello students, let us start with part 15 of chapter 12. So our second last topic is carbon anions. In the last video you have studied carbocations. Now carbon anions, chemical species bearing a negative charge on carbon and possessing 8 electrons in its valence shell are called carbanions. These are produced by heterolytic cleavage of covalent bonds in which the shared pair of electrons remains with the carbon atom. Here is an example on the screen. You are with example CH3CHO. Now you want attack of OH negative. This is undergo heterolysis. Heterolysis means unequal distribution of electrons. So OH negative moves out with H positive and it becomes H2O as is shown on the screen. H2O is released and it will be CH2 negative. Carbon is negatively charged, CHO. One more example, R C triple bond C H means R C C H. There is attack of NH2 negative, Na positive. Nitrogen is negatively charged. It contains two lone pairs of electron. These lone pair of electron are shown to move toward H. And this bond between carbon and hydrogen is shown to cleave and it will become RC triple C negative and this carbon will get one lone pair of electron Na positive. So it will be RCC Na positive leaving behind ammonia NH3. This nitrogen contains one lone pair of electron. Now classification of carbanions. As you have done classification of carbocations, now start with this. Carbanions are also classified as primary 1 degree, secondary 2 degree and tertiary 3 degree. According to the negative charge is present on primary, secondary and tertiary carbon atoms. Now here is the example. Let us start with methyl. Methyl means carbon contains 3 hydrogen atom and 1 negative sign. Okay. And primary means carbon contain 1 alkyl group R and 2 hydrogen and 1 negative. Similarly with secondary. Secondary means carbon contain 3 alkyl groups and 1 negative charge. And 2 alkyl group and 1 hydrogen and 1 negative charge, and tertiary contain 3 alkyl group and 1 negative charge. Now stability of carbon anions. The stability of carbon anions follows the order CH3 negative, then primary, then secondary, then tertiary. Now inductive effect. An alkyl group has positive inductive effect plus I inductive effect. When an alkyl group is attached to a negatively charged carbon atom of the carbon anion, it tends to release electrons towards the carbon. In doing so, it increases the intensity of negative charge on the carbon and thus destabilizes the carbon anion. More the number of alkyl group on the carbon atom carrying the negative charge, more would be the intensity of negative charge on the carbon atom and hence less stable is the carbon anion. Stability decreases in the order CH3 negative, then that is a carbon anion, then primary, then secondary, then tertiary. Now order in form of structure is also shown and there are on the screen shown red arrows on the alkyl groups. It shows electrons are moving in which direction. It means in which direction electron is arrow is pointing, electron is moving in that direction. This is CH3 negative, methyl carbon anion. It do not contain any alkyl group. But in primary carbon anion, it contains one alkyl group. It means alkyl group will shift its electron towards carbon as shown by the red arrow. Similarly, in case of secondary carbon anion, there are two alkyl groups which are shifting its electron toward the carbon. And in case of tertiary, there are three alkyl groups. There are three red arrows shown which show shifting of electron toward carbon anion. Now, more examples. Allyl carbon anion is stabilized by resonance. This is case of allyl carbon anion. There is one double bond. It means it is allyl. CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2 negative. Now, first of all, pi bond will move. Pi bond will move to the adjacent carbon. That is on the left hand side. Similarly, this negative charge will move to single bond. It means there will be shifting of single and double bond, shifting of negative charge. One more example in case of aryl, benzyl carbon anion. In this case, there is CH2 negative group attached to benzene ring. It means there will be 5 possible structures. Structure number 1 and structure number 5 are same except in the arrangement. Now, there will be double bond introduction between carbon of benzene ring and CH2. This concept was also done in case of carbon cation. But the fact was there was distribution of positive charge. Here is distribution of negative charge. Now, more the number of phenyl group, greater is the stability. Same concept was in case of carbocation also. That is C6H5 thrice C negative is greater. Then C6H5 twice CH negative is greater than C6H5 single CH2 negative. The presence of electron withdrawing group such as NO2, CN, COR, Cl in the benzene ring tend to disperse the negative charge and hence increases the stability of carbon anion. Now, reactivity of carbon anion. The reactivity of carbon anion is reverse of the stability. Tertiary, then secondary, then primary and then CH3 negative. Now, orbital structure of carbon anion. This is the orbital structure. Here carbon is connected to 3 alkyl groups with sigma bond, and this carbon is sp3 hybrid orbital with one lone pair. The structure of alkyl carbon anion is usually pyramidal. The carbon atom carrying the negative charge is sp3 hybridized. 3 of the 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals form 3 sigma bonds with monovalent atoms or groups, while the 4th sp3 orbital contain lone pair of electrons. The carbon anions which are stabilized by resonance are planar. In these carbon anion, the carbon atom carrying the negative charge is sp2 hybridized. So, completing this topic, and now you are left with very small portion of this chapter. Okay, thank you so much.